I have in front of me here a dummy solar powered bullet camera, and you can see on the front of it here it has a LED array here for IR, basically infrared night vision. Okay, so the idea of this is it's a replica camera, and the big benefit on it is that we can actually have a permanent flashing LED light on it due to a combination of uses of this solar panel here and also batteries that I'm going to show you in the back. So the first thing is to look at the actual general design of this camera. So it comes very compact in a small box like this. Once we get it, we can just twist it around, and we can see there's 3 holes here. We can use them for simply mounting this onto a wall. In terms of the camera itself, it's a pretty realistic design, and down to the fact that there's actually a block on it here for protecting it from both weather, from rain and from sunshine as well. And you can actually slide this along a set of rails like this, so we can just adjust how much of an overhang we want on it in terms of where we are. And it also of course has this cable here which we can use, and gives very much a realistic effect that we actually have this connected to a real system. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to hold this down for a moment. I'm just going to twist here, and we come along and we push this out here. Okay, and what we can see here is there's a slot here for a set of 2 AAA batteries. So I'm simply going to slide this in here. I'm going to slide this in here. What we want to do here is we just come along. Now, as is typical with a number of different dummy cameras, there's no on-off switch in effect for these. But what we have then is, once we have the batteries inserted, every 6 or 7 seconds or so we'll see the LED light here will flash. You can see it here. So what's happening here is it's actually operating off the batteries now, but we had this charging during the daytime, and actual it'll be taking a charge in here to be capable of both powering the LED lights but also charging the batteries here as well. So it's a sort of it makes the camera absolutely ideal to give a very realistic effect in a place there's no local power source, and it also becomes a very, very cheap, low cost way of putting together a pretty effective deterrent. Okay, so it's part of a wider range of dummy CCTV cameras, and also actual CCTV and DVR systems, etc., that we stock on the tvtrade.ie website. So that's it anyway, an overview of the dummy solar bullet camera with an LED IR array.